Hello and welcome to another Adobe CC video tutorial. We're going to be looking at blends. So I've just got two different objects here. They are grouped at this point, so I've got to ungroup them to make it work. So let's start off with the first one. I select two of them. I go to Object, Blend, and Blend Options. I'm going to start off in the first one of Smooth Color, and it says orientation align to page or align to path. So I'm going to say OK. And then it does nothing because I'm just setting it up. Object, blend, and make. Then I'm going to do this one. Object, blend, and this is what I use all the time. I go to specified steps. And 8 steps. And I'm going to say OK. Object, blend, and make. So now you could ungroup it. I could take this one, I could rotate it. And then I go Object, blend, and again I'm still on specified steps with 8, and I go make. And that's kind of cool. Then I can take this, Control-Shift-G to ungroup, and I can move this over here, rotate it a bit if I want, and Object, blend, and make again. So that's what it looks like when you do that. Now when I've got this one, then I can, maybe I'll try and put this over here just to see what it looks like. And I'm going to go Object, Blend. I'm going to change my options to the specified distance. So 4 points. I'm going to put 10 points. You can try this with different sizes. And Object, Blend, and make. So it went 10 points apart each time. So instead of the number of steps. Now, you can also do this with a text. So I'm just going to type in HSS, and I'm going to make this super big. I'll go to 100, and I'm going to go to an Arial black, and then I'm going to copy and paste it. Control C and Control V. Take this, and I'm going to change it to 10. And then I'm going to swap the colors. So now I've got white on the inside with a black stroke. I take these, drag over both, Object, and I'm going to do specified steps on this. So I'm going to go Blend and Blend Options. But before we go any further, I'd just like you to notice that it is not allowing me to make. Make is grayed out. But I'm going to set my blend options to specified steps back to 8, and I'm going to say OK. Now, it won't work because it's a font. It will work if it's a drawing object. So how do you change a font to a drawing object? Right click, create outlines, or you can go type, create outlines. Now they're drawing objects, and I go Object, Blend, and Make. And there you have a pretty cool blend between them. Probably would have looked neater if I had, dragged this to the inside. And you can go into isolation mode by double clicking and modifying it. So any one of these, you can even change the shape of it and move it over here. And it looks like that. So that's in isolation mode. That is how you do blends with Adobe Illustrator CC. Thanks for watching.